Hey guys, so this is the beautiful wash, shampoo, and condition. But before we get into this, let me introduce to you the product that I'm using.
So what do you want me to say next?
Not to say much. She
We're using Nexus.
Like,
Today we're using Nexus.
not with my name on it.
I have a towel just like this. This is Sariana. Wait, Murray got it.
I did.
You can see her. Why you look like that, bro? They caught that.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Rocking around, rocking around, rocking around.
Here we go!
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Challenge me?
She's back. Can you please get some?
Now to get that perfectly straight part, right, hold on, not yet, and, hey, there we go. This part is literally just to keep the hair away while we start to the straightening process, and just to keep the two buns up, the placement where the ponytails are going to be.
Treat me like white tees, don't get me dirty. Love, love, love on me. Love, love on me.
So finally the straightening partness is over, and now we're just gonna spray got2b glue just on the ends of her hair and right where the part is, just to keep the separation between the ponytails and her actual hair and just slick down any flyaways. Now it's time for the braid. So I started the braid right off of where I had done the part for the ponytail, because you don't want to start the braid at the bottom, because then it's not even going to look like it's connected. It's going to look so disconnected if you do it like from the bottom part instead of where you want to part the ponytail. So that way is in the part of how you would do the ponytail. You know, I had to give her a moment to feel herself just a little bit, because she was feeling it. Now this is the fun part, adding in the tinsel. The good thing about this tinsel is that it literally has clips added to it. Usually when I put in tinsel, I usually do it with microchips so that I can just micro into the pieces of here, but this one was good too. It fit perfectly.
Have you been naughty or nice? Angel on the track.